All right, guys, correct your own paper, and then also give me a perfect paper back. All right, there we go. Slope number one. All you have to do is give me a score for these guys. For number one, that's this red guy. He's making any. I can look at any of the dots. He's making $3. That's how much he goes up, right? He's making $3, but not right at once. It takes him 2 days. He's making $3. It takes him 2 days. That's his score. Let's see, number two. Number two, he's losing money, right? As he goes to the future, like right now he's here, but in the future he's getting lower and lower and lower. That's losing money. So how much is he losing? He's losing $1. He's losing $1, but it takes him 1, 2, 3 days to do it. That's his score. Let's see, number three. Number three, I don't know how to give him a score because he's not making money, he's not losing money, he's stuck in time. He's stuck back here. We don't have a word for that. He's the guy that's stuck back in time. Undefined. Number four, he's not making money, he's not losing money. He's just staying exactly the same. He's not getting richer, he's not getting poorer. Tomorrow he has the same amount every day. He's a do nothing. Let's see, number five is losing money. How much is number five losing money? Well, he's going down. He's losing money. How much does he lose? He loses $3 every 1 day. So if you lose $3 every day, that's your score. Whatever you do every day, that's your score. So -3 divided by 1 is just -3. All right, this guy, let's see. We have two guys. Let's see where this one starts. He starts at -5. So -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's where you start, not in the future, not in the past. And he makes $2, but it takes him 3 days to do it. So he goes up 2, but it takes him 3 days to do it. Okay, so I just keep that pattern going up 2 over 3. And then he lost 2 days, or 3 days ago, he would have been $2 less. So same thing in the, right there. All right, let's see. Next guy, he starts at +3. I'll give him a green dot, I guess. +3, okay. And he loses $2 every day. He loses $2 every day. So if I was going to do him, he goes down $2 every single 1 day. So he's going like that. Boom. Boom, $2 a day, $2 a day, $2 a day, $2 a day, $2 every day. That means in the past, he was richer. You don't want to be rich in the past and poor in the future, so this is a negative slope. And they hit right there. Where is that? Let's see. We say, remember, X's and Y's in alphabetical order. Here's my X line, here's my Y line. So on the X, on the days, we're at day 1, day 2, day 3. That's when they're going to be the same. And how much money will they have in 3 days? They're both going to have -1, -2, -$3. They're both going to be in debt in 3 days. Okay. Here we go. Y equals, and for all of these, it's my laundry and baby laundry. That's all. That's how you say a slope, or that's how you say an equation of a line. And my laundry is extra large, so it gets the X. Let's see, if on day 0 you have $3 and on day 2 you have $9, that means you went up from $3 to $9. You made $6, but you didn't make $6 every day. You made $6 every 2 days, so we divide by 2, and that's actually $3 a day. So that's your score. You made $3 a day. But where are you right now? Right now at day 0, not in the future, not in the past. At day 0, you start with $3. So there's your equation. This guy over here, at day 4, he's at $20. At day 7, he's at $32. Okay, let's see. Let's go. He went up from $20 to $32, so he went up $12. Did he do it every day? No, it took him 3 days to do it. So he's really making $4 a day. That's his score. Y equals my laundry, baby laundry. So 4 is his score. We put it in my laundry. Now, if I want to figure this out, this says I have to take my X and multiply it by 4. There is no 0 in this one. So I have to take my x and multiply it by 4 to figure out what I need. So here's my x, 4, and I'm going to multiply it by 4 because I need 4 of them, and that gives me 16. But I need to be at 20, so I'm not quite there yet. So I need to add 4 more to get to 20. And that's what it is. 7 times 4 is 28, and if I add 4 more, I get to 32. There we go. 9. This without the top would be, there's the ones digit, the zeros digit, the 0. This would be 27 100ths if the repeater didn't exist, but it does. So the rain comes down, hits all this stuff, hits all this stuff, hits all this stuff. This blocks it. So that column is perfectly protected. If the rain hits you, you have to be thrown away. So in the 27, we have to throw away 2. In the 100, we have to throw away 10. And this is 25 90ths. Also, we can take a 5 out. This is 5 times 5 and 5 times 18. This is something that probably you could use your fingers to count by 5s and 10s. You should be able to tell if the 5s go in here because it ends in a 5 and a 0. That's what 5s do. So this is really 5/18ths. But if you got to 25 90ths for today without a calculator, I'll give you the points. Rational versus irrational. Let's see. Pi is in this guy. He ruins the whole fraction, so he's irrational. 0.3214 forever, forever, blah, 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 blah. No pattern, goes on forever. Irrational. This guy goes on forever, but he repeats. 0.63636363. That's cool. We're not allowed to take the square root of 6. I mean, we can, but it's not a pink number, so it goes on forever. If we try to take a square root of that, that's irrational. 25 is a pink number. That's one of our pink flashcard numbers. We're allowed to take square roots of those. That's just 5. So this is really just 5 halves, which is just a normal fraction. So that's rational. And this is just a normal fraction. There's nothing to do. That fractions are rational. Rational means fractional. Okay. Here we go. On this one, we've got this is hi. This means hello. So any sentence that has hi in it, I can replace it with hello, and it doesn't change the sentence. And I know they're the same because of this. The star of this show is actually the equal sign. It lets me know they're the same. They are the same word. So here's hi. I'm going to write the same sentence. 2x plus 3. And I'm going to take, everything's the same, except now I'm going to plug in hello. 3x plus 4. So there's hello. So all I did was rewrite the same sentence, and I took out the word hi and wrote the word hello. I didn't change the meaning of the sentence. So here we go. Positive 3 times 3x is positive 9x. Positive 3 times positive 4 is positive 12. I've got these two x's over here. I've got equals 23. All right, now I've got too much of my laundry. Too much of my laundry. Let's see. 2 x's and 9 x's is 11 x's. Plus 12 equals 23. Let's go ahead and move the 12 over to the 23 side because that's the baby's laundry side over here. So minus 12, minus 12. And these are dead, and we got 11 x's equal 11. Divide by 11. Divided by 11, 11 divided by 11 is 1. So x's are 1s. So y equals 3 times x's are 1s plus 4. Y equals 3 plus 4. Y equals 7. So the answer in alphabetical order is 1, 7. All right, let's see. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times positive 2 is positive 6, plus 2x equals 2 times 4x equals 8 x's. Don't forget the letter. You would be telling me it's my laundry or the baby's laundry if you forget the letter. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, and minus 2. So we've got too much of my laundry on this side and too much of the baby's laundry on this side. So we got to combine them. Let's go. If I have 3 x's and 2 x's, I really have 5 x's. plus 6 equals 8x's. And then we're going to combine these guys, -2 and -4. They're both on the negative team. They combined. Now the negative team is bigger, -6. All right, let's see. I see more of my laundry on this side, so I'm going to make this my room. I'm going to make this baby's room. Let's go -5x's. -5x's. We'll go +6. +6. So they're dead over here. +6 and +6 don't kill each other. They make 12. 12 equals 8x's minus 5x's is 3x's. 3. X equals 4. And finally, this one. These 2's don't cancel out 3's. These -2's don't cancel out 4's. But if we make this whole line right here twice as big, every number in this line twice as big. So instead of 2x's, I got 4x's. Instead of -2y's, I got -4y's. Instead of -2, I have -4. Now when I combine them and say I have 3x's and 4x's, I have 7x's. When I have -4y's and +4y's, oh, they cancel each other out. That's what we need. And we have 18 minus 4 equals 14. Then when I divide by 7, I know x's are 2's. So if x's are 2's, I can use this equation over any of the equations. I'll take the one that looks easiest to me. 3x plus 4y equals 18. But now I know x's are 2's, so I'm going to take x's out and replace them with 2's. 6 plus 4y equals 18. Minus 6, 4y equals 12. Divided by 4, y equals 3. So we got 2, 3. All right, grade your own paper.